Ndewo. Thank you for joining us in another section of this video. Remember, we are still discussing on the topic Igbo words for different parts of the human body. I remain Tutor Chigorum Promise. Before we proceed, please don't forget to like the video, share, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Learn Igbo by Conversation for more updates. Let's proceed. Kaiganiru. How do we say liver? Umeju. How do we say stomach? Afo. How do we say breast? Ara. How do we say leg? Oko. How do we say right leg? Oko akanri. How do we say left leg? Oko akeekpe. How do we say thigh? Elu oku. How do we say calf? Ọkpụkpụ ụkwụ maọbụ egedege ụkwụ. How do we say knee? Ikpere. How do we say toe? Mkpịsị ụkwụ. How do we say toenail? Mbọ mkpịsị ụkwụ. How do we say foot? Obu ụkwụ. How do we say ankle? Egbugbere ụkwụ. If you're interested in learning the Igbo language properly, join our LIBC classes for just £3 an hour. You can book our classes on our website. Our website address is in the description box. Our website address is learnibo-byconversation.com. Don't forget to like the video, share, and subscribe to the channel for more updates. See you in the next video.